So in this video, I'm going to talk about why cheating yourself, spending less time, spending less on brokerage commissions actually costs you more and harms you in the long run. What's up? Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, working on my smartphone from bed, living the life, really enjoying myself. And the way that I got here might not be the way that you think. Leave a comment underneath this video. Do you think it's going to be easy to become a millionaire? Yes or no? It's a very simple question, but tell me the truth. What do you think? Do you think it's going to be easy? Yes or no? Because the sad reality is that too many people underestimate the amount of work that it takes to actually trade profitably. 90% of traders lose. A lot of people, I think I would call it like a coupon mindset, where you're like, how little money can I risk in a trade? How little money can I pay a broker? How little time can I put in to be really successful? You don't want to put in that much because you're still kind of hedging your bets. You're like, well, 90% of traders lose, so let me watch every single penny. And because you watch every single penny, you miss the gigantic potential of opportunities that pass you by because you're so focused on the small stuff. That's not to say that you should go out and just splurge, but I think you should invest more time, more money into your education and get your mind right, because there are opportunities every few days, not every day. Some days I don't trade. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Some days I even lose. Like today, as we're filming this, I lost about $600. It happens. But I have the right mindset. $600 in the grand scheme of things is small. I minimized my losses. I didn't let a small mistake turn into potential big disaster. I paid my commissions. I accepted the loss for what it was. I'm moving on. I'm totally fine mentally. That's the right way to think about it. But if some other people, maybe you don't have a lot of money and $600 is too big of a loss, like we all have different kind of mental stop losses. Maybe you don't want to lose more than $100. That's fine. But you get down on yourself if you lose $100 because you're like, oh, I put in time, I lost money. So you're thinking, okay, I'm spending time, your time that could be spent like making money if I had like a 9-to-5 job. I lost money. So my savings, my nest egg, my wealth has decreased and I feel like crap. That's how most people feel after they lose. And then you also have the brokerage commissions on top. It's like the little cherry on top, like, oh, I don't want to pay for the right to lose money and to waste my time and to feel like crap. Like it's like the worst of the worst. Like, oh, another $5. And it's not big, or sometimes $7 or $10. It's not big in the grand scheme of things, but it's just like another thing that pushes you over the edge where you don't enjoy trading. Like this is a crappy feeling when you lose. You have to pay somebody else for the right to lose and you waste a lot of time. That's just frustrating. 90% of traders lose. So what they do if they're going to lose on a trade, at least they try to save on stock commissions, right? They try to save the $5 or $10. And they're like, well, I still lost 100 or 200 or 500, but at least I saved on commissions. And they take it as like this mental win. And so they sign up for these brokers. There's a lot of upstart brokers that offer free stock trading, and people look at it like, oh, I'm being smart. I'm saving money. I'm clipping coupons. That's why I call it the coupon mindset. What you don't realize, when you have these free stock trading apps and free no commission brokers, you're getting screwed some other way, okay? These companies aren't just charities. They're not just giving free stock trades away and it's the best thing ever. They're making money in other ways. They might screw you on execution. I can't tell you the number of horror stories I've heard about when you pay zero for commissions with a broker and then you save $5 or $10 on the trade, but then you lose $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000 on bad executions. Some of the best stocks that you trade aren't even available to be traded when you choose these brokers where you're trying to save on commissions. I use E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. They charge me $5, $7, $10 on a trade. I don't love them. I think these two brokers suck the least. They don't pay me, but they're solid. I know that I'm getting good execution, so I'm willing to pay $5 or $7 and instead not risk losing hundreds or thousands of dollars on bad executions, or them not being able to execute the trade on a certain stock, or not being able to trade pre-market, or not being able to short sell. You're giving up a lot of quality by trying to save a few bucks. And if you truly want to be rich, if you truly want to make a lot of money over time, you're going to have to invest time, you're going to have to invest money, and you're going to have to get the right mindset, because you will never get rich saving $2 here, $3 here, $5 there. Okay, you won't get rich anytime soon. Maybe like 50 years later, you'll be like, I saved $1 million. Fantastic. You lived a shitty life. Enjoy. For me, I want you to learn how to make 5, 6, 7 figures with big potential gains. Making $5,000, $10,000 on a trade that maybe a low cost or no cost broker won't even give you access to. So you need to think a little differently. I'm trying to help you. It's in my own best interest to create the most successful students. Click some links below. I'm going to provide some links. They're all going to help you. Just study up. Invest time, invest money. Focus on your future. Don't cheap out, because that'll cost you more in the long run. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.